Unit 21, Part A, Activity 1B. Listen and repeat. Civilization. Impact. Significant. Trade. Account. Military chief. Era. Unit 21, Part A, Activity 4B. Listen and complete the voicemail with the previous answers.
Hey Kasal, this is Rod. I learned about the Kingdom of Funan this morning, and I'm super interested in it now. There wasn't much information in the textbook, so I'm going to find other history books to read more. Anyway, did you know that Ningniet was actually Queen Soma? I've heard of them, but I didn't know they were the same person. This is what happened when I didn't focus during history class. By the way, what I was reading in the library this afternoon, I found some interesting fact about Funan. Firstly, Funanese people were fishermen and farmers. I really don't know what they sold to the Chinese people. Secondly, Queen Soma didn't give the kingdom to Hontieng at all. I mean, only kings rule the country, right? Well, Queen Soma didn't agree. She continued to take care of Funan and made herself the first female ruler. Anyway, I'm going to end this here. You should also read about it so that we can discuss later. Reply to me soon.
Unit 21, Part B, Activity 2B. Listen, check and repeat. Example. Kingdom. 1. Crown. 2. Event. 3. Historical. 4. Memory. 5. Importance. Unit 21, Part B, Activity 3B. Listen and check.
Hey Lynn, what are you doing here?
Hi, Kosal. Can you help me with my history homework? I need some answers about the Kingdom of Chenla. We studied about it this morning, but I still have a few questions.
Okay, ask.
Who fought and took over Funan?
From my memory, King Purvevaraman I won the war around the 6th or 7th century AD, and the kingdom crowned him. Some accounts even showed that he might have been the grandson of the last king of Funan.
Oh, I hope not. That would be too sad. Then what was the next event? Who took the throne after him?
Let me think. The next event? It was his cousin named Mahendravarman. I'm not sure, but I think they didn't fight for the throne.
Oh, good. I think they had enough fighting. Anyway, Funan believed in Buddhism, right? Did Chenla also?
Nope. The importance of Buddhism meant nothing to King Purvevaraman I. Instead, he was all about Shaivism, which is a part of Hinduism. The god of this religion is Shiva.
I've never heard of that religion before. I'll look it up later.
Did your teacher talk about water and land Chenla?
A little bit. She said Chenla was divided into two in the 8th century. Which year was that again?
Around the year 707 AD. Do you know one of the reasons why it fell?
Oh, I remember this. It was because they kept fighting each other, right?
Exactly. The wars from the inside really destroyed the kingdom.
Historical events always make me feel sad. Well, that's all I wanted to ask. Thanks, Kosal.
You're welcome.